switching computers on an HTT30 to see if our problem is with the lower pocket or with the computer that controls it. You're going to need an RL01 key. Go ahead and unlock the computer. Just push down on the coin end to pop it forward. There's 2 harnesses in there. You just want to squeeze the plastic tabs and unplug them. You'll wind up with this here. And you can go ahead and unlock the other side. Pull this computer out. Same way, just unplug the 2 harnesses. And you can see they're very different. You can't plug them in wrong. They will only go back in one way. Just switch computers to the other side. I generally plug the red one in first. Doesn't really matter. Once it's plugged in, you'll see you've got these little notches here. Just set those on the posts. And there you go. Go ahead and plug in the second one. Alright, now that you have them both switched, power your dryer back on. Restart both pockets and check and see if your bottom pocket is still not heating or if now the top pocket is not heating. If it's switched pockets, it's the computer. We'll go ahead and send you one. If the problem doesn't change switching computers, then there's something else going on with your bottom pocket and we'll take care of that for you. Just let us know. Thank you.